Let me show you something we all feel but never talk about: how much time data work actually steals from your day. Importing, cleaning, chatting, forecasting. One small task turns into hours every single time, and honestly, it's ridiculous. So we flip to the whole process on its head. Instead of wasting 4 to 6 hours prepping a simple report, Syla cuts it down to 3 seconds. Yeah, 3. Upload your CSV and Syla instantly cleans it, structures it, and builds a chart for you. No formulas, no setup, and no dashboard chaos, just the results. You get instant visualization, automatic insights, growth numbers, averages, peak months, all calculated the moment your data lands. You literally audit the progress, bar load, and the whole story of your data appears right in front of you. And the best part, it's simple. Instant visuals, all-powered insights, straightforward pricing, no enterprise nonsense. The hard way drains your time. Syla gives it back.